Cybersecurity is a massive area and hard to manage. You need a guideline to establish a baseline level of security. Cybersecurity Framework is a structural approach to guide organizations in managing and improving cybersecurity posture. As a cybersecurity professional, you create a cybersecurity framework that helps business to mitigate risk, improve defenses, and support organizational growth. There are several cybersecurity frameworks that you can use as a reference model. However, the selection of reference cybersecurity framework should be matched with organizations' specific needs and regulatory requirements. Let's review the commonly used frameworks. Number 1. NIST Cybersecurity Framework, developed by National Institute of Standards and Technology in the United States. This framework provides a set of standards, guidelines, and best practices for managing cybersecurity risks. It consists of 6 functions: govern, identify, protect, detect, response, and recover. Govern addresses understanding of organizational context, the establishment of cybersecurity strategy, roles, responsibilities, and authorities, and also policy. Identify covers understanding of the organization's current cybersecurity risks and improvement opportunities. Protect supports the ability of safeguard organizations' valuable assets to manage cybersecurity risks. Detect enables timely discovery and analysis of cyber attacks. Response supports the ability to contain the effects of cybersecurity incidents. Recover supports the timely restoration of normal operations to reduce the effect of cybersecurity incidents. Number 2, ISO 27001 is an international standard for information security management system. It's a world-best known standard that provides a systematic approach to managing sensitive company information, including cybersecurity risks. CIA Triad are the fundamental concepts of ISO 27001. These principles serve as a framework for designing and evaluating information security measures and ensuring the protection of valuable assets. ISO 27001 consists of 13 control objectives that cover various aspects of information security, such as information security policies, organization of information security, human resource security, asset management, access control, cryptography, physical and environmental security, operational security, communication security, system acquisition, developments and maintenance, supplier relationship, information security incident management, and compliance. Number 3, CIS Controls, developed by Center of Internet Security. This framework offers a prioritized set of cybersecurity actions that organizations can take to enhance their cybersecurity posture. CIS Controls, also known as a critical security controls, provide specific and actionable ways to protect against today's most dangerous attacks. The latest CIS Controls is version 8, which consists of 18 controls. These address common cyber threats and vulnerabilities. The control, such as inventory of assets, inventory of software assets, data protection, secure configuration of assets, account management, access control management, continuous vulnerability management, audit log, email and web browser protection, and malware defenses are the top 10 controls in CIS. Number 4, PCI DSS Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard is specific to organizations that handle credit card transactions. It sets requirements for securing cardholder data to prevent fraud and protect customer information. PCI DSS consists of 12 controls to protect cardholder data. That controls cover areas such as network security, access control, encryption, firewall, and regular monitoring and testing. There is no one-size-fits-all approach, and each organization's cybersecurity framework should be customized based on the risk appetite and tolerance, specific missions, and objectives. If you want us To have a deep dive in any framework in future video, write it in the comment section.